Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for your online queries. In this video, I will be showing you how you can hide your following list on TikTok. If you do not want people to see the list of accounts that you are following on TikTok, then first launch the app on your mobile. Then tap on hamburger icon at the top. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Privacy option. Now scroll down and select Following List option. Select Only Me in order to hide your following list from others. This will hide your following list from both your TikTok friends and non-friends. But if you just don't want strangers to not see your following list, you can go to Privacy and make your account private. This way only your friends can see your following list. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.